two Stripe-powered affiliate platforms, both with rave reviews. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, FirstPromoter, a powerhouse for SaaS referral tracking. And on the right, Rewardful, simple, Stripe-first affiliate management built for speed. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's the mind map of all the categories we'll cover today: price and revenue limits, features and customization, integrations, fraud protection, reporting and analytics, user experience and onboarding, customer support and reviews, and best for. Pretty comprehensive, right? Let's dive in. All right, let's kick off with price and revenue limits, because let's be real, who doesn't care about the cost? So FirstPromoter starts at $49 a month. It's pretty transparent. No sneaky fees or anything. But, small catch, the basic plan only lets you have up to $5,000 in affiliate revenue per month. If you've got ambitions, you might outgrow that pretty fast. Now, Rewardful also starts at $49 a month. But here's the cool part. You get a higher revenue limit on their base plan, $7,500 per month. No free tier, though. So if you're looking for more headroom without jumping tiers, Rewardful's got that edge. Next up, features and customization. Okay, FirstPromoter, this thing is a powerhouse. Deep Stripe, Paddle, ChargeBee integrations, super customizable links, two-way rewards, built-in email automation, the works. You get advanced reporting with over 18 metrics, and honestly, it's robust. Only thing is, for total newbies, the setup might feel a bit much. Rewardful, on the other hand, is way more straightforward. You get flexible commissions, mass payouts, and Stripe tracking is dead simple, just not as much dashboard customization. And you won't see built-in email marketing. So, if you want all the bells and whistles, FirstPromoter takes this one. Sliding into integrations. FirstPromoter has the SaaS basics: Stripe, Paddle, ChargeBee, High Level, Ghost, ClickFunnels. Works well, but I mean, if you love plug and play, Rewardful is wild. 30+ integrations. And the Stripe install is so easy my grandma could set it up. If you're after sheer integration numbers and simplicity, Rewardful wins here. But if you want custom flows, maybe keep that in mind.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Both FirstPromoter and Rewardful started as Stripe-first tools. Fast forward to now, and they're basically SaaS affiliate royalty. Pretty wild, right? Fraud protection. Because nobody likes getting scammed by their own users. FirstPromoter's got good built-in fraud checks, which is reassuring. But Rewardful, they have this really robust self-referral fraud protection. If you've ever had headaches with fake signups, you'll appreciate this. So in terms of keeping your program clean, Rewardful's just a little bit ahead. Let's talk reporting and analytics. This is a biggie for number nerds and anyone scaling fast. FirstPromoter seriously packs it in. 18+ tracking metrics, affiliate conversion analytics, lots of depth. If you want to geek out, this is your thing. Rewardful keeps it simple. Basic performance tracking, nice clean dashboards, but not super deep. For businesses looking to analyze and really optimize, FirstPromoter's the standout. Now, user experience and onboarding. FirstPromoter is pretty smooth for SaaS folks. Easy onboarding, nothing painful. That said, if you've got a non-SaaS flow, you might hit a couple of extra steps. But Rewardful's onboarding is, honestly, so intuitive. Especially with Stripe, it's just transparent for both users and affiliates. Even if you're not a tech whiz, you'll fly through the setup. If you're looking for that frictionless launch, Rewardful snags the win here. Customer support and reviews, where you either cry for help or brag about how good the team is. FirstPromoter's team? Pretty responsive. They ask for feedback and the community vibes seem cool, but Rewardful is just all over the place with praise. 5-star Capterra reviews, rapid support, and the docs are crystal clear. No contest. Rewardful is serving up support that actually makes people happy. And last, best for. Okay, this is kind of tricky, so listen up. FirstPromoter is an awesome fit if your SaaS is scaling, needs advanced referral tracking, and you want features galore. For very simple programs, it might feel extra. Rewardful feels tailor-made for early-stage startups, simple workflows, and anyone who wants a quick launch. Though, you might miss out if you want crazy customization. Honestly, this one's a tie, because it really depends what kind of business you've got. If you like visuals, here's how the two stack up in every category. You can see how Rewardful kind of dominates things like integrations, onboarding, and support, while FirstPromoter pulls ahead on deep features and analytics. So, what's my take?
Rewardful is basically perfect if you want something simple, fast, and Stripe-focused. It's super friendly to early-stage SaaS, and honestly, the support is next level. But if you're scaling up, want hardcore analytics, or crave customization, FirstPromoter is just on another level. Try both if you're on the fence. They've got free trials. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next